Do you want to know how you can practice daily lessons in Elsa Speak? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can practice your daily lessons and improve your English using your Elsa Speak app. Now, go ahead and open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone. What you need to do is press the home button, which is on the left hand side, and on the top corner you can see practice daily lessons. Go ahead and tap practice daily lessons. So these are the training or the daily lessons option. First of all is the personalized lesson by Elsa, and the next is beat the IELTS, some assessment test, real life communication, quick learning, and master intonation. So these are the daily lessons which are offered by Elsa Speak. Go ahead and tap practice daily lessons and tap start. You must note that you must upgrade to unlock these features, so go ahead and upgrade the account, purchase the premium version of Elsa Speak, and then you can go ahead and complete your daily lessons and improve your English vastly using Elsa Speak. This was a video on how you can practice your daily lessons in Elsa Speak. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.